Welcome to Epoch Trades, where we trade the new age. Today we're going to be covering key levels on the monthly and weekly time frame for Solana. So, as always, our key level criteria, we look for swing highs and swing lows, multiple rejections, acted as support and resistance, drastic moves away, obvious to spot, and recently formed. So, let's go ahead and hop right in. Now the first key level we notice is our monthly swing high here, right around 214. And we can also plot in our monthly swing low. As we can see, this is the lowest point where price hit and reversed drastically, right around 1.45. So let's go ahead and hop to the weekly, as we can notice a key level here, but it is pretty choppy. So let's see more data on the weekly chart. Now what do we see? Here on the weekly chart, we can see a clear level right here, right around 46. So we can notice price came up, hit, and reversed before breaking through drastically. Now we notice price broke through, pulled back, and hit the level before reversing drastically again. So we have multiple reactions, which is clear to see on the weekly chart. Now we also have a support level right here, right around 29. As we can see, price came down, hit, and reversed, and we see multiple reactions to the level here before breaking through drastically. Now we also notice reactions around the same area with these candle bodies and candle wicks. So we also notice a key level right here, right around 134. As price came up, pulled back, hit, and reversed, we've seen it stall at the level here, and we've seen it react as resistance here. Acted as support and resistance, which is clear to see on the weekly chart before reversing drastically. Now, right now, we can see price is forming a bit of a support level right here, around 11.9. And we notice there was a reaction here with this one bearish candle out of all the bullish candles here. So marking this as a key level. Now, these are all the key levels on Solana. If you guys enjoyed the video, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.